So the 24-volt bank is charged by the sun, through the solar, through the generator, which, if I had to do it, if I knew what I was going to end up with,
Sure.
I would have never bought the generator.
Oh, you have a generator. I didn't even know
I have a generator,
Oh,
and
I
honestly, I don't know when I'll run it. Because with the sun, and now we're adding the 185 amp hour, amp, high output alternators with the Zeus regulators, smart regulators. We're going to be throwing in somewhere in the neighborhood of 8,400 watts total between the two engines through the alternators, plus about 3,300 max from the solar. When am I going to run that generator?
Yeah.
So,
if
there's a buyer out there, if there's someone that would like...
Yeah, we need like
if you are.
Yeah.
Right. I've got one,
awesome.
6K. It's
Low
got
hours.
20 hours on it.
Yeah, really low hours. Like new.
I'll throw in some free oil. I'll tie it to your car.
There you go. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. No, and I just experienced it again this weekend with, I had to motor sail a little bit, especially up the channel when I got up into Dunedin. I had to come up the waterway a little while. And I was dropping anchor at, 7 p.m. It's dark out. But I dropped the hook, and Bree had been cooking using the induction cooktop and the Breville air fryer, making some sweet potato fries. And we dropped the hook and turned everything off, and I was at 95% batteries. After a really cloudy day, and we motored for an hour and a half. And we got hot water, everything's done. We're set.
It really cuts down on the anxiety when you don't have to keep that in your frontal lobe all the time. What's my power management?
Yeah.